Hi guys, it's going to be super short video, but it's really helpful if you're in process of becoming a freelancer or you're already one, and you have a couple of clients and proposals going on, etc., etc. And we're going to be giving you three platforms today that you as a freelancer can start even at the early stages of your freelancing journey. And for all students in the community, so we'll be of course going ahead and uh, training them with these tools, and they will be trained with a lot of tools, but these are the three tools that I would like to present out here. And a lot of people will be going ahead and using these tools for different reasons, and you will be using for your own reasons, and I'll just summarize it up. So the first tool is Notion. Consider Notion as your dashboard that's going to pull every detail that is available in multiple sources, and it's going to organize for you. Why use Notion? Because it is really helpful. It's really helpful as a matter of fact that it saves a lot of your time. So you don't have to keep on shifting from one application to another application. You don't need to keep on checking what is the calendar today. It can pull out everything, and no matter how small the project, how big the project, you can go ahead and create your own custom dashboard. And you can go ahead and, as you can see here, you can go ahead and check the notes here or the meetings or whatever the schedules that are in today. Notion also lets you build AI agents which are helpful, but that wouldn't be required if you're not having more than five clients and you're not having a recurring business. It's not that great, but Notion is a fantastic, I would say, platform in order for you to excel, because ever since you start, if you start with this, it's going to be very helpful for you. It's going to be super helpful. In fact, a lot of our students are already doing it. So the second tool that I'm about to bring to you is Loom, and this is one of the platform that our students would start working early on. So as you guys know, it's a 90 days training. Now it's a 90 days training. You have to choose your own specialization, and then you'll be going ahead and getting trained from it. And there are major specializations and there are minor specializations, and you will be going ahead and picking one major specialization and one minor specialization. So we have updated a lot of stats here, so you guys can see what are the stats, what are the updated content, like what are the advantages of using that particular tool or integrating AI. So everything is mentioned here. And when you come to the client readiness challenge, so it's a 90 days training, by the way, and you'll be learning the first 54 days or 54 hours. You will be going ahead and learning a major specialization tool, whatever that you have chosen. The second is client readiness training, where you learn how to position yourself, how to set the pricing, how to negotiate, how to go ahead and close the client. So how do you get ready for the client? And in this stage, this is where Loom is used by 99% of our students. I can say 100%, and most of them do use it. So, and some of them use their own laptop tool. So what Loom does is Loom will just let you record whatever you want to record, screen video, whatever you'd like to do, and you can share the link around. And it is very helpful because instead of just DMing your client or your brand, you can make a Loom video explaining what you can do for that and what is the loopholes that the brand have, or what are the creative changes you can make, and you can send it across to them, and you can keep it under 1 or 2 minutes or 3 minutes or maximum 5 minutes, so the owners can have the time to watch it through. It's going to create a differentiator, because a lot of other freelancers are just getting into the automation, and they're just sending multiple DMs a day, and it's very generic, and people can already guess that it is just an automated message, and clients are not willing to respond to them. So in order for you to go ahead and get the chance, you need to be a little bit different and talk about the brand like you care, and give them very good experience, so that they don't really think about anything, uh, changing anybody or choosing anybody apart from you, irregardless of the pricing that you charge. So Loom is used even after you get the clients to clear out some things, to communicate properly, to get everything on record, so you can do it. And Loom is very helpful tool, I would say, for both of the reasons. And the third tool you'll be learning to do it is Calendly. Calendly is very simple. So instead of you asking the client, are you available, what time are you available, blah blah blah, you just send the Calendly a link to them, and this would be the booking page which you can customize it. and you can go ahead and your clients can go ahead and select a schedule and click on confirm. They can select the timings, and you'll be getting the notification, so you would know who is in the meeting. So this will be useful if you're talking with a lot of clients, you're already having clients and you want to talk to them, or they would like to talk to you. You can just send it around. It's very simple. Calendly is hands down the best tool, I would say, out of all the three tools, although all are equally important. So Calendly has saved a lot of things. In fact, our students are encouraged to build their own content, their own Instagram, and we'll be training them to do so. You can see this is one of my clients who has uh, did a login page, and he has his, let's say, his own designs, and he has done it, and he has also posted it. So now we'll be asking him along the way, we'll be asking the person to go ahead and add a Calendly link to his profile. So if they want to, let's say, a people who comes to your page and checks it out, wants to talk to you, they can go ahead and book it. You can add the pricing. It's up to you. If you want to add the pricing for the booking, you can do it for free as well. But these are the three tools. So inside the world of Stone Circle, so inside the community, so we'll be training them with minimum 12 AI tools for every of the activity. Now I have just given you three, but we'll be helping them to learn multiple AI tools. In fact, most of them are listed here. I am just trying to check it. You can check the YouTube channel as well. I have posted, let's say, 30% of the tools that we have taught inside the community. I have already posted in the YouTube channel, so that people who are really looking forward to can understand what tools to use. So that is what it will be. Let me just go ahead and check it. Yeah. So you have our channel, and we have a lot of tools that we have taught them. So it's, you can see it. I think we have taught them about the chatbot. We have taught them about the how to create the ads, how to create the website within 1 minute, how to create the presentation, and how to create the designs as well, in fact. So and this is what we have taught, even designing the Instagram page. So now all these are very basics. Of course, the students will be learning the advanced tools, but these are the three tools that you need to have, which I wanted to bring in today. Thank you, guys.